Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Nutrient Toner. Now people have asked me many times, do they need to use a toner? My answer is always yes. Toners are a great step to add to your skincare routine. They help to remove excess dirt, oil and makeup. Toners also help correct and balance the pH of the skin. In other words, toners clean the skin and help remove dead skin cells. PCA's Nutrient Toner is super hydrating formula containing pumpkin wine, which is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which will help protect against free radicals. It contains enzymes, amino acids, citric acid, which will help calm and soothe the skin, and lactic acid, which is naturally found in milk, and sugar to assist with the pore refinement and the removal of superficial dead skin. The Nutrient Toner is for all skin types and concerned with sensitive and reactive skins. After cleansing, moisten a cotton pad with a small amount and apply in an upward movement strokes over your whole face and neck. It may be used once daily or as needed. Now this works great with any of your PCA recommended serums, moisturisers and sun protection. So if you would like to purchase the PCA Nutrient Toner, please go to our website at skinmart.com or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.